So I just wanted to show you guys how long this process normally takes, because I realized when I do the time lapse, you guys don't really get to see how there is a massive hair on my hand. Oh my god. Sorry guys. So I wanted to show you guys how long it usually takes to actually like mix and pour this in, because it's not very long, but with a time lapse, it looks really fat. You can tell I'm doing super well today, guys. What I want to do too with this that I don't really talk about, I don't think in any of the videos I've done, is it turns this kind of cloudy consistency. You want it to be mixed to where it starts going clear again. That's how you know it's mixed really well. So we'll just keep going here for a second. I don't know, I think this will probably be like a little bonus video showing you behind the scenes of some of the different stuff I'm doing continually, because as much as I love weekly art inspirations, I do other art that is not filmed. I actually do quite a bit of art that's not filmed. So that's kind of one of the things I wanted to do, is show a little bit more of the different things I'm continually doing. I'm going after at the moment. Okay, so see, it's pretty clear now. It's still a little cloudy, and it might be because the stuff I'm using is a little old. That's better. But you want to get it to where it is almost clear, or as clear as you can get. I'm going to add my gold Pearl-X powder for this wolf. I'm planning to make 10 or 15 of these wolf magnets for an upcoming show I'm hoping to get into. If I don't make it into that one, I have another one here in Utah called FireCon that I will be in and be selling different things at, so I thought it would be fun to do just some magnets that are a little bit lower price range for people to buy at these different things, because a lot of times at the different events it's usually either teens or young adults that really enjoy some of what I'm doing, so having a smaller price or a lower price range really helps with that. As you can tell, I haven't totally gotten over whatever was going on with my nose, so you'll have to live with that, sorry guys. These are kind of more just little ramble videos. I'm just adding this because I like adding sparkles. So with the other ones that I've done, that I think I filmed one of them. So I did a clear one that you can see is almost perfectly clear through it. I'm not sure how I want to paint these yet, but I really like how they look. This one is a orangish looking wolf with some of the same type of glitter specks in it. And usually with the glitter it will sink to the crevices. So if you add a lot, it'll turn out looking really cool. If you don't add too much, it'll kind of just have specks in it. I don't want this to be too crazy, so I'm not adding as much. You can tell it kind of sticks to the edges too. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour it in, just like that. With the ear, because it's a little bit more covered, I usually put in my, my little stick right here and poke around to try and get out some of the air bubbles and have them rise to the top. I will also be grabbing my I don't know why fire stick is the first thing that comes to mind, my lighter, and I'll just go over it really quick with my lighter to make sure a lot of the air bubbles get out, and there will still be air bubbles. It kind of just always happens. I haven't really figured out how to perfect that, so definitely not my not perfect on my way. I also have another little dragon that I think I'm going to be doing and filming. Anyway, so I don't think it's going to work to show this, but pretty much I just hold it very close to that and just flame it so that I get those little bubbles that are appearing off of there. Yeah, just like that. If you have a better lighter, that sometimes works too. My dollar store lighters continue to fail me. But I hope you guys have enjoyed kind of just this little behind the scenes. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see more videos that are a little bit more low-key like this. I'm planning to post them during the weekends, just to kind of add some more content that you guys get to watch and see. If you have any like Q&A questions for me to answer, I know that a while back someone asked me how I do my lining, and I'm going to do a little video on that, some of the techniques that I use for that. But with that said, guys, I hope you stay inspired, stay amazing, have a wonderful day, and remember, you can be inspired at any time, and you can continue to do art. Whether you're posting it all the time, just continue doing your passion and stay incredible. With that said, guys, make sure to like below if you enjoyed this kind of bonus video. If you'd like to subscribe, I would really appreciate it. The channel continues to grow, and I feel so grateful to you guys to be able to share what I love doing and have you guys enjoy it, and maybe come away laughing or seeing something new that you guys can try. And here's some more videos over here. Have a great day, guys, and a wonderful week. Stay inspired.